Hello, this is Wooly with the Basement Kings. We are in Dallas, Texas, looking at a house that small amounts of water is getting in through an archway. There's a built-in cabinet, as you can see here, that has been removed. Water has never been seen from here or the back corner wall, and the water comes out in the floor about a maximum of about 4 feet. Water maybe enough to fill a 5-gallon bucket at the most. And the water was coming in from around the window well first, and then started coming in from the corner. See the small hole in the corner? And from this corner. And then a bright person had the idea of taking and using a spray-on sealant and coated the wall and made the problem worse because the water is going to move from the backside and just keeps moving because it's going to act like a blocker until it finds a way to come in. And right here, it's come in through here. So general suggestion is to stop the water in this area and put in a drain just from here and go across this wall and never halfway do the job and stop at that wall, go all the way to the corner because water is going to move. So that is a recommendation, not to excavate and tear out the wall where there is no water, because we do know one thing for sure. This is a brick facade. It's real brick, but behind there, it's going to be stone. Concrete behind the stone. So that cavity, there's going to be a cavity behind that wall. So we will have to remove the brick around that area until we can get the exposed concrete. And recommendation is to waterproof and seal the area that is exposed, put in a flexible flange tie it into the drain and run it out, and put a sump basin here in the corner. So we will either put the sump basin here in the corner or we will take the line that we're putting in and excavate and go directly through the wall, because outside this window is a sump pump right there at the base, and run it outside into the base. And this is a very unique situation because found a hidden sump pump up under the stairs. So recommendation here was to change the style of pump because it has an agitator ball, and to put in a vertical float so the pump is going to come on sooner. And the basin is about 4 feet tall, and right now it's over half full, it's 3/4 full, which means it has the wrong type of float. So we'll put that on there. Offer a suggestion of pump, backup, and high water alarm, because this area is not accessible. And therefore, there's a 90% chance, other than being able to pull off this cabinet if there's a problem, because this area is going to be sealed. That is our recommendation for this job. And we're looking at a minimum of a 10-year warranty. So that's what it is. So let's call it a day.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.